Alright, so we start off today's video with a clay-based DIY. Oh, a napkin holder. Oh, that is really cute. Wow. Very nice design. This could also double up as like some type of bowl as well. Beautifully done. Hello everyone. Well, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone doing some artwork. We already saw the final result, and I must say this is absolutely a beautiful piece. I always say this often on this channel, but if you can make your own artwork for your home, do it, because artwork can be so pricey and expensive, and making your own is going to save you so much money. And of course, it'll also be an original piece, so that's pretty cool as well. So she pretty much just added the gold flakes. This is such a simple design too, but it is really pretty. Now, if you wanted to, you can go back over here and add some paint splatter with some black. I'm just like picturing that on this canvas. This is gorgeous though. All right, so here we have someone doing a ceiling light. So this is like very Z Gallery inspired. We've seen a few similar designs. Let's see how they end up doing theirs. Okay, so we didn't get the full details on how they actually created the Z Gallery lampshade, but that is such a cool design. I've seen it done with straws before and like gold spray paint, so might be an easy one to replicate. So here we have someone, looks like she has an IKEA blanket here. I think she's making like her own ottoman or poof. Yeah, so there's the end result. That's a pretty cool, fun project. And then we have a Wavy Mirror DIY. So this was the inspiration. Facebook Marketplace, $20 for a large black mirror. Wow, that is so cool. I think the lighting definitely elevates the look overall. I mean, the design is dope, but the lighting really just takes it on another level. Very cool. And I like how she left it white. Alright, so we got someone removing wallpaper here. So it looks like she ordered more. I actually like the one that she already had on her wall. the monkeys and the black. I don't know. I liked it. Yeah, I gotta be honest, I liked what she had before. This is kind of boring. Thrifted Table. So there's that infamous leaf design. Whoa. That is a lot of purple. Kind of looks like army purple. Like, wow, that's really cool. And I'm assuming they just painted that. That's really cool. Alright, so we got a furniture flip here. So they're doing the infamous TikTok Sharpa. I always feel like I'm pronouncing it wrong, even if I'm pronouncing it right. Sharpa? Sharpa? You guys know what I'm talking about. So she's using the blanket in order to do this. And apparently it's a lot harder than it looks. Well, actually, you know what? I take that back. This looks hard. It doesn't look like it's easy. Draping a piece of fabric over an old chair definitely doesn't look like it's easy. She does a great job with this though. Look at that. That looks so cozy and comfortable. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.